These are the trout that we caught today. My wife caught this one, and I caught the other 5 and a little one that I put back. So maybe it could have another day. The morning is here, just starting. Having breakfast and then we're off to fly fishing in Wales.
Hello, Mr. Kirk. Hello.
Hello. Gutting
Cleaning.
the trout that we've just caught. Gosh, can't even remember what it's called.
We are having fire
Yes,
after
we are.
having a very, very cold day today.
Yes.
We've been out all day today fishing, fry fishing.
Caught 6 trout, didn't we?
Yeah, you had 5. You have 6.
I did have 6. I
You
brought
put
5 home. I put a
5
little one
home.
back.
Yeah, I had 1. Yeah, so
Now we've eaten it.
yeah,
and
so
now we're
we
having a
made,
fire.
We made tea, rice, and tomato sauce, and
Yes.
fried fish trout. The one
Yep.
we actually was blue one, the one I caught.
Yeah, it's a blue trout.
Yeah, I've
isn't it?
never have blue trout, but anyway, very, very lovely.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there we are
So that's now we're enjoying
in the country.
in the countryside.
I'll have to do a song.
At the middle of nowhere.
In the country. I've done one in the
Yeah.
city, walking in the city.
Yeah, so that's where we are today, and we really had a good time.
Yep.
So, yeah,
Ta-da.
ta-da, good night.
Good night.